altitude of the triangle. Altitude of triangle. ALTITUDE. Altitude of triangle. Now, what is the meaning of altitude of triangle? It is the perpendicular drawn from any vertex on the opposite side. Perpendicular drawn from any vertex on the opposite side. This is PQR. It's clear. Now, from each side, you draw the perpendicular. It's clear. From vertex P, you draw the perpendicular over QR. Perpendicular drawn from a vertex on opposite side. So from P, draw perpendicular on QR. So this is altitude. ये क्या हो गया? Altitude हो गया PM. Then from Q, draw perpendicular on PR. Q, draw perpendicular on QR. So this is the another altitude. And from R, draw perpendicular over PQ. This is third perpendicular. It's clear? Here from P, you have drawn perpendicular over QR. Perpendicular means meeting QR at 90-degree angle. From Q, draw perpendicular over PR, meeting PR at 90-degree. Here also 90-degree. You can see here all the 3 points, all the 3 altitudes intersect at this point. Intersecting at this point. It's clear? This you can name as X. This is called the orthocenter. This is called the orthocenter. It's clear? Altitudes of the triangle. Altitudes of the triangle are concurrent. What is the meaning of concurrent? Who can tell? That is passage through a common point. That is passage through a common point. All the 3 altitudes passage through a common point. It is clear? This point is clear? Now see here. So all the altitudes of triangle are concurrent. It means they pass through a common point. They pass through a common point. Now this point is called orthocenter. Orthocenter. It is clear? Now after this, I am going to tell you in circle. In circle of triangle. In circle means circle is inside the triangle and touching the sides. It's clear? Means it is like this. This is in circle. This you can name A, B, C. circle is inside the triangle. It's clear? And touching the sides of triangle. In circle means circle is inside triangle and touching the sides of triangle. Touching the sides of triangle. What will be the in center? Center of this circle is called in center. Center of this circle is called in center. And it is which point? In center is that point where angle bisectors of angle of triangle meet. What is in center? It is that point. In center is that point. I am writing here. In center is that point where angle bisectors of angle meets. Where angle bisector of angle meets. It is clear? So what is the in circle? Circle inside the triangle and touching the sides of the triangle. It's clear? Center of this circle is called in center. Means if you join the angle bisector, if you draw the angle bisector, you have drawn the angle bisector of this angle. Angle bisector of this angle. Angle bisector का मतलब क्या है? जो एंगल को दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करे. This equals to this. It's clear? This is equal to this. And third is this. This equals to this. It's clear? So this point is called the in center. It is denoted by which symbol? I. So what is in circle of triangle? Circle is inside the triangle and touching the sides of the triangle. Center of this circle is called in center. And what is in center? The point where angle bisector meet. The point where angle bisector meet. That is called the in circle, in center. Now see here this circle is called the in circle. But the triangle is called circumscribed triangle. Circumscribed triangle. It's clear? So circle triangle is called circumscribed triangle. This triangle is circumscribing to the circle. This triangle is circumscribing to the circle. So this point is clear. What is in circle? Circle which is drawn inside the circle. Circle which is drawn inside the triangle in such a way it touches the sides of the triangle. It is clear? Its center is called the in center. In center is that point where angle bisectors of angle meets. जहां पर angle bisector meet करे. Now see circumcircle. Circumcircle. You can see here. Circumcircle means circle passing through the vertices of triangle. It's like this. circle is passing through the vertices of triangle. This. It is A, B, and C. This circle is passing through the vertices of the triangle. This circle is called the circumcircle. Circle passing through vertices of triangle. That is called the circumcircle. And its center is called circumcenter. Circumcenter. It is clear that center is called the circumcenter. This point is clear. And what is circumcenter? Circumcenter. It is the point where right bisector of side meet. Circumcenter is a point where right bisector of side, circumcenter of triangle is a point where right bisector of sides meet. Right bisector of side means perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. That point, that line which perpendicularly bisects the sides, that is called the perpendicular bisector. It is clear? Now here we call the triangle as the inscribed triangle. Triangle is called inscribed triangle. Triangle is called the inscribed triangle.